Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and in today's video we are going to learn about two things. One is AWS console, the second thing is IAM. Okay, before starting, this is my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, and this is part 6 uh, of this AWS series. Okay, and this is my portfolio, you can check it out, rakesh1.in. This is my LinkedIn profile, this is my GitHub profile, you can check out. So let's get back to our topic. So today's topic is AWS console. Okay, so in AWS console it's something, it's look like this. Okay, basically we have widgets. Okay, these are called widgets. Okay, you can change the layout from here. Okay, and from sidebar burger icon you will get the my application and the all services. These are all services in AWS. All the services are categorized. We have a satellite feature also, you can communicate with a satellite also. So these are the things. Okay, front end and web. Okay, these are all the categorized. Okay, if you click on AWS, again you will back to the home page basically. Okay, and from top left right corner you will get the account ID, and here you will get your account ID. Okay, and here you will get account, organization, service quota, billing and cost management. Here you will get the amount, and service quota in the sense in your free tier how much resources spending. Let's go into that. There you will get the like overall pictures. Okay, yeah, like this dashboard. Yeah, see, you can see here like how which service, how much I have utilized, how much is left, like quota thing. Okay, and apart from that, this is the region. Okay, from which the region you can select, which we have seen in the last video. Okay, by default it's a North Virginia, it will select. And beside that we have a cloud check, then the notification, and here is a Q&A kind of support, and we have a setting also. Okay, you can dark, light, okay, anything you can see. Let me know in a comment section which theme should I use. Okay, uh, go for the light one, and here you can search the services EC2. Okay, IAM. Okay, we have this. Okay, from here you can search, from here you can again you can figure it out. Let's this is the overall console. Okay, that's how its console look. If you open first time it will not look like this, but yeah, it will look close to like. Let's go back to our topic. Okay, in AWS services there are two kind of services. One is a global service and one is region scoped service. Let me write here global service. Okay, and we have region services. Okay, so what is the difference between global services and the region services? Okay, let me show you the demo. Okay, so as of now North Virginia is selected. Okay, and as of now we are going to learn about IAM. So let me open IAM only. If I click on IAM, as soon as I click on IAM, you can see here it's region global. So that means this IAM service is a global scope. Okay, globally I can access. Okay, let's search one more. Okay, uh, that is something called Route 53. Okay, route service Route 53. If you click, now you will see here the global. Okay, and if I search EC2, which is a region scoped. Okay, and if I search here, as soon as I click on the, and we'll get the region wise. Okay, so we will see later why this region and a global, why it's required. Okay, so as of now just remember there are two kind of services. One is a global services and one is a region services. If I take the example of a global services, one is IAM. Okay, and second one is a route 53, and third one is a cloud front. Okay, and fourth one is WF. Okay, these are the all global services. Okay, and in region we have many. Okay, most of the services are region scoped only, but we have few. Let me give you the example. One is Lambda, which is a region scope. We have many. Okay, Beanstalk, Beanstalk. A few more are there. Okay, these are the region scoped. If we search here, let's search S3. to figure it out which is a region scoped or a global scope. If I click on S3, so it's coming the region, okay, in S3. So that means S3 is also a region scoped S3. Okay, so you can search one by one and figure it out which one is a global one, which one is a region wise. Okay, so this is what AWS console and how the services are categorized between the global services and the region services. Okay, now get back to our main topic today is IAM, and we'll search it here. IAM. Okay, and it's look like something like this, and that the full form is identity and access management. Okay, as the name suggests, identity and access management. Here it will be a identity and access management. So basically identity and access management, one is identity, okay, and one is access management. Identity and the second one is access management. These two are the different terms, okay, but it works together to create an IAM. So basically IAM is nothing but a role. Okay, so if you create a account for the first time, you will get the root account. Okay, if you create your account for the first time, you will log in with root account. Okay, which is a default and you use to create a IAM. Okay, with a root account you need to create IAM. Okay, and in IAM, uh, basically kind of user only. Okay, instead of using your root account, you are using the IAM. If anything goes wrong in IAM, you can delete your IAM, that's all. Nothing will happen to your root account. So make sure your root account should be safe every time. Never share your credential to your root account. Okay, you can do anything with your root account, but you can't do everything in IAM. So one thing is in IAM in AWS. uh, AWS follows, like most of the cloud services follow, that is least privileged. Okay, least privilege in the sense, uh, user you need to give access to the user which is required. If it is not required, don't give. That's the only motto. Okay, uh, in all the AWS services. Okay, that's the follow they follow actually. um, if you need the access, give it, or else don't give, simply. So in IAM we have let's go back in IAM. Okay, we'll see here in IAM access management. Okay, if we under the IAM access management, we have a user group, user roles, policies, identity providers, account setting, root, access management. We'll see one by one each. So first we'll go to user group. User group is nothing but, my bad. Okay, user group is nothing but you are creating a user. Okay, here is a group. Okay, and here is also one group. What you say, we have a developer group, and we have a operation group. operation Operation. Okay, we have an operation group, and this is called like group. Okay, these are developer group and we have operation group. That's what user group. Okay, and user. Okay, let's go with user. So user in the sense, let me diagram code icon user. Okay, we have a user in a developer, we have a developer, and we have a operator also. So might be you need a multiple developers. Okay, my bad. Okay, you need a multiple developers, so there will be a multiple developers. Okay, and in developer we have only two operators which handle the operation things. Okay, but in between, what you need group admin. Okay, my bad. We have something called group admin, admin. Okay, which handle both the things, like he monitor the development as well, and operation as well, kind of team lead who handle the both. So we have a three group: developer, admin, operators. So in developer we have multiple peoples. In operation we have a multiple operation people, and in admin which belong to operation as well, and the developer as well. So that's kind of things. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a user, we have roles is different. I will tell you what this roles means actually. We'll see later. As of now, you can see the user group and the users. So a user group is a group of many users. Okay, and user can belong to a group also and without the group also. So if user doesn't belong to any group, that's called inline. Okay, inline IAM user, like inline policies and all. Okay, it doesn't belong to any group, only a single user, like your manager doesn't belong to developer, not belong to operation, not belong to admin. Here is your HR. Okay, let me mark HR. Okay, so that is called how this IAM is theoretically. Theoretically it sounds like this. Okay, and here if we create a user, we have a different users. Okay, one is DevOps roles and one is a front end. If you go inside the developer, okay, inside the DevOps role we have one user. Okay, this is a username, you can see here the username. Okay, and if you go in the user, there will be DevOps role Rakesh and ecom Rakesh. So we will see how you can create the group also. Okay, no worries. Okay, let's create one group only. So we have admin group. Okay, you want to add this Rakesh to admin group, you can add, or else you can create simply. Okay, and you can attach the policies at the group level also. We will see what is policies and all, but you can attach the policies at the group level also, or you can attach the policies at the uh, user level also. So what is the benefit of you applying policies at the developer level, like group level or individual level? So what happened if you have a multiple team? Okay, you have a large number of teams. Okay, and you want to remove the access of a particular service. What you can do, if you have applied a particular role policies in a developer role, okay, you can simply remove the policy from the group and it will remove from all the users. Simple. And if you apply, like if you individually want to give one row, like a policy attached, you want to add a policy to one user, you can also do that one. Okay, so let's create the group only. So as of now there is no policy, no user, and creates a user. So it will create. Now if you see under the group section, you will have a admin, DevOps role, and e-commerce. If you go inside the user, there will be nothing, no users will be there. Okay, you can add the user here. Okay, as of now there is no user. Okay, see here, Rakesh and ecom. Okay, we'll create the user. So you can go to users, create user, and name like admin user. Okay, and here you can select the multiple things, how to provide, you want to provide the AWS console, whatever we saw, a console you want to provide, auto generated password. Okay, as of now auto generated password, and you must create a new password at the next sign in, if you want to sign in, or else use the auto generated password every time, is up to you. So okay, best practices is give a custom password. Okay, and let the user create the password in a next sign in. So create a nine. Okay, okay, my bad. Okay, now the user is there. Now we need to set the permission. Okay, what we have seen, we can create, we can add the permission at the group level or the individual level also. Okay, so here we can attach add user. Okay, group you want to add in a particular group, add, you can add from here. Okay, add, attach policy directly, and list privileges. So I want to give only EC2 full access, give EC2. Okay, EC2 full access, or you want to give EC2 one particular only read only access. Next, EC2 full access. Okay, that's the permission and the create user. So these are the console user. From with this link, IAM user can able to access the console and username, and this is the password. Okay, and return to our user list, continue. As of now we don't need. So if you go to admin user, now there will be one user in that. Okay, now this is the admin user. Okay, we need to go to group. Now here is the admin group, and in this there will be add user. Now we need to add the user, admin user, add user. Now there is a user in this group, that is admin group. So this is the theoretical, and this is just now we saw the practical thing. Okay, and we see the permissions. Okay, how these permissions looks actually. IAM permissions basically. Let me copy this one. Permission. Okay, permissions. IAM permissions, how this looks. Okay, and you can create a, you can write manually also. You can drag and drop, select option is also there. Okay, so we have this permissions. Okay, if we click on Amazon EC2 full access. Okay, and just wait for a minute. Permission. Okay, so you can see here allow 6 of 451 services. As of now we give Amazon EC2 full access. In the full access we have a CloudWatch, EC2 auto scaling, ELB v2, and IAM. Okay, and here in the summary, this is the summary. If you click here you will get something look like this. Okay, JSON structure. You can write your own structure, or else you can copy from here and paste it here, and we'll see. Okay, so something. So AWS permission, like policies permission, policies are something look like this. Okay, and let me explain you one by one. Will not take much time. So this is, first is version. Okay, we have a version, and under that we have a statement in the sense uh, identity, like action EC2, whether you want to, in effect you allow or deny, something like that. And the resource, we give a full access, that's why it's coming full. Okay, we have seen CloudWatch and all, and we have a effect, allow, action. Okay, resource, contains, these are called like, these are all the policies, how one policies will be there. Okay, and this is a summary. So we saw user group, users, policies. Okay, we'll see the roles in while covering the EC2. What is the use of these policies? Okay, so what else after that? Yes, and how the IAM user will able to log in. Okay, so if you click here now, let me log in out. Okay, if you sign out, uh, click on sign into console, and you will get some. Yeah, if you want to log in via IAM user, you will, it will look like this. Okay, you have account ID, IAM user, and password, and you want to access via a root user. Click on sign in root user, and there you will get the option of email, then password. So that is what IAM. So as of now we saw, we take a overview of AWS console, global services, region-wise services, IAM, identity and access management, how this IAM role actually theoretically work, and we saw the practical also. We have created the groups. Okay, we created the user and we attach user to a group. Okay, see here, we created the group. Okay, we created the user, and we attach the user to a particular group. Okay, we attach the policy, we saw the IAM permissions. Okay, policies, how these policies are there. Will, if you want to if you want to know more about these policies, how you can write, and what is each like version, statement, action, effect, resource, and we have something called SID also. You want to know, let me know in a comment section. I will make a separate video of that. Okay, as of now this video is a bit long, so in next video we'll see few more things related to IAM, or we'll go to another topic. Okay, so before closing, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This is the part 6. Okay, and you can watch other videos also. We have some good videos, and this is my profile, this is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub. You can follow me anywhere, and if you have any queries, please reach out to me. We'll discuss. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.